What's up, you guys? Welcome to my channel. If you're new, welcome back if you're not. My name is Phylicia and this is Be Beautiful Green, the 4C hair family. I don't know why I said that. But today I am doing something completely new today. I am going to go ahead and do a braid and curl. Yes, I do see a lot of people doing twist and curl, but I decided to do it a little different and do a braid and curl and see how it actually comes out. My hair is already freshly washed, deep conditioned, all that good jazz. I did a pre-poo with aloe. If you didn't see that video, go ahead and click the link below. I already posted that on there, and now I'm just gonna go ahead and get to it. Alright, you guys, so I am finished. I did my braid and my twist, and you already know I'm not sure if I'm gonna be able to rock this for some days though. I never had these in my hair, but if I do try, I'll show you guys. If I decide not to go anywhere, I'm gonna still show you guys, because I honestly don't even know how I'm gonna cover this up while going out in public. But until next time, I'll see you guys in a couple days. Alright, you guys, so as you guys can see, I ain't going nowhere. I can't go nowhere looking like this. So yeah, it's bonnet day. Where's Summer? Summer! Oh. Say hi.
Hi.
Bonnet day. So it's been a couple of days. As you saw, I did not go nowhere with my hair looking like that because I just couldn't style that with rollers. So I definitely spent my time in the house bonding with Summer, you know, doing all my homie things while I look cray-cray. I definitely went to pick up Skylar looking like that though, and I'm pretty sure she was embarrassed. Mommy goes, let's do it. guys, this came out beautiful. Okay. I am gonna split up a couple pieces. And voila, I am loving it. If it stay like this, I'm definitely gonna try to do a photo shoot because this hair came out bomb and I love it. It might even be my birthday hairdo because it's in a couple days, weeks. But let me know if you guys love it. Comment, like, and subscribe. Especially if you want to see more of this face. But thank you guys so much for watching. Until next time.